Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody could do. So, let's get started. These are your basic ingredients you're going to need in making a delicious French fries. Cooking it in the air fryer. Fresh potatoes, oregano, adobo from Goya, which has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to put these ingredients together and make a delicious French fries. So let's get started. Now I'm just gonna keep the potatoes soaked in water for 1 hour. This way it'll take less time to cook when you put it in the air fryer. Now that I finished draining the water from the fries, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread it around the potatoes. I'm gonna add oregano to give it more flavor. Now you can season your fries the way you want, but this is the way I'm doing it today, because oregano is a good combination with the olive oil. And then I'm also using adobo from Goya. It has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. This also gives it a nice flavor. And then that's it. Now we're gonna put it in the air fryer. These potatoes smell delicious with the oregano, the oil, and the adobo. Just gonna throw it in the tray, as you can see. Now I'm gonna set the timer for 20 minutes. Now, if you need more time, you could always add more time, but I'm at 20 minutes, and 10 minutes after it's been cooking for 10 minutes, I'm gonna pause it to move the fries around so this way it'll cook evenly. It'll be nice and crispy at 390 degrees. Okay, now I paused it. It's been 10 minutes. Move the fries around. As you can see, it's been 10 minutes. It looks delicious. Nice and crispy. It's just, you want to stir it so it could cook evenly. Take one. It's not really cooked yet. And now we're going to continue for another 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. You can hear the crispiness of the fries. So you can see how delicious that came out. See how beautiful those fries came out? I'm just going to try one. Nice, crispy. And didn't need more time. That's why I highly recommend that you soak the fries in water. This way it doesn't lose its texture. It's just gonna lose some starch. You lose some of the starch when you keep it in cold water for a good hour. And now we're gonna serve it. Now it's time to eat, isn't it? Smells delicious. Okay, take the fries. And here you got it, delicious French fries. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and until next time.